Wow, this is a pretty cool museum, Stephanie. Thanks for taking me here.
Oh, I love museums, Tom. There's so much to see.
Yeah, and this is a special museum because it's actually outside here.
Yeah.
Got the sun shining on me, and I can hear the birds singing. It's a really wonderful experience.
Yeah, but have you noticed the interesting sculpture?
Yeah, there are sculptures all over the place. Pretty cool.
This is a really famous museum. All the artwork seems to be outside.
So it's very special, and I'm happy you took me here today because this just happens to be our subject for today's program, all about the Zhuming Museum.
That's right.
Which is up there on the north coast here in lovely Taiwan.
Yeah, we're going to be talking about it for the next couple of programs. We hope you'll pay close attention. This is a great museum to learn more about.
So in today's program, we're finding inspiration at the Zhuming Museum. So let's get started, everybody. We'll read through our lesson first, and then we'll preview the vocabulary for you.